Hey, good morning everyone. It's Joe Baby here. Today is day 40, April 9th. And I'm on the Appalachian Trail 2022. And I'm at mile 600, roughly 609, so 609 miles. And yeah, it's snowing. Not too bad. Last night, got down, it was cold, high 20s. I wasn't cold in my sleeping bag, but just right at the comfortable level. Not super comfortable, but comfortable enough to sleep. And that's once again with a 15-degree down sleeping bag. So I slept in the shelter again because I knew there was some kind of weather coming, which obviously, as you can see, yeah, there was weather. But honestly, I'd rather have this than rain. Rain would be worse and just more to deal with. Gonna have to be careful here. This probably doesn't look real steep, but it's pretty steep through here and slightly slippery. But the Jenny Knob shelter where I stayed last night, it could fit 4 people, and it was full. And what was really cool, I guess I got there at about 4:30, I think. And I don't eat that much, so I had 4 packs of oatmeal for dinner, it filled me up. I was good. But anyway, I'm sitting there and we're all talking, having a good time, and Aquaman shows up. And Aquaman, his name's Scott Benaroff. And he started in December in Maine on Mount Katahdin. Well, he couldn't summit Mount Katahdin because the weather was too bad. It was too bad. And he just rolls into the shelter, and you can watch his videos on YouTube if you want to see some crazy videos of him, snowshoeing. He's heading south, I'm heading north. So he's at mile 1600 roughly, and I'm at mile 600. So, real nice guy. So we talked about his hike and everything, and it was really cool. So that was really exciting for me because I've been watching him on YouTube. Well, not lately. I've been too busy hiking. But super cool. Yesterday I did about 23 miles. Little bit of a shin splint issue yesterday. But it's gone right now, thankfully. And he Aquaman gave me some tips on shin splints, so I've been doing that. And the snow's picking back up and my fingers are freezing, so I probably won't be talking much longer. But that's what's going on. So today's an awesome day. I think I have 6.5 miles. Hold on a minute. I gotta put a glove on here because my right hand is about ready to freeze off. So Anne's picking me up today, which is always good. Looking forward to heat. I'm looking forward to food. I'm looking forward to seeing, obviously, my wife and one of my daughters, Carrie, and Woody the dog. Looking forward to all that. The place that I'm getting picked up at, I was actually going to stay there if I wasn't getting picked up. And it's the grocery store of all grocery stores, Trent's Grocery in Virginia. It's in Bland, Virginia. It's a grocery store, obviously, but it also has tenting, laundry, showers, and breakfast and lunch. So it's got it all. So that's where I'm headed, and if I remember, I'll take some pictures or something and post it. Somebody out there message me or something and tell me how to put my YouTube video on Instagram so then it transfers over on Facebook. I don't even know if that's possible or not. As you know, I'm not a real techie person. So yeah, the snow's coming down. It's cold right now. It's in the upper 20s. Best thing for me to do is keep moving. I woke up at 6:30, packed my stuff up, and I was gone well before 7 o'clock. Everyone else was still sitting around drinking coffee, and I got out of there. So that's what I got going on today. And I am going to keep on moving down the trail. And this snow, as you can see, it's not really coming down hard. It sure is pretty. Not coming down that hard. I don't think we're supposed to get a whole lot of snow. But you know, these mountains, the weather in these mountains, super unpredictable. Like yesterday as I was hiking, I mean, it went from, well, high 40s, sun was out, get up on top of a mountain, it was snowing and sleeting, and then it would melt. And then it rained a little, so pretty much, well, it didn't get all 4 seasons, but got a lot of variety of weather yesterday. Hopefully, my one thought, like last night as I was laying in my sleeping bag, my one thought was, what happens if it's snowing so much that Anne can't come up and get me? Because I have 0 supplies. I have like 3 bars left. Well, I have a little bit of food left, but not much. So, but I'm going to Trent's Grocery, so I guess that's my plan B if for some reason Anne can't make it because of the weather, which would be an absolute bummer, but there's not a whole lot you can do about that. I'm not going to worry about that. It is what it is. So, but yeah, I'm going to keep on hiking here. Feeling good this morning. Energized. And I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you guys have an awesome day, because I sure know I am. Talk to you later. Bye.